If you're working with 3D software, you have two ways to select a color for your projects. First one is select a color as we teach you in the course by HSB, RGB or hex codes. You even can use our color table or our website to have access to the color names and codes. But sometimes the color that we select is different with the color that we see in the final render. Usually it's brighter or maybe darker. The reason is because we use different types of lights or sun to make a realistic image. They directly affect on the color that we selected, and we need to select darker or lighter colors of that hue to fix this problem. Another way to select a right color is download a zip file in this page and use the maps that we provide for each color. If you need to use blue color in your project, you can find different types of blue or any other colors in this file and directly drag and drop them as a material to have a great result. After rendering, you need to check the colors with software like what color that we talked about in the course to make sure the final render is perfect with no mistake, because sometimes the purple color that we select could be magenta or blue, or the green is not green and could be yellow. So to be professional, we need to check the colors. Okay, for this one let's start with normal color. Let's choose some color for this one. 150. I'm looking for the red color. Make it a little bit brighter. And here is the result. So it sounds very good, no problem. The color is made red and it's perfect. Let's try with some of the materials that we provided. Sky blue. And the result is different. So it's because of the light. Of course, this part that is a little bit darker have different kind of blue. The shades are different and the shadow. So this part have most of the light and it's brighter. So in reality, it's the same situation. When some part of the object is on the shades, you see it darker. But if you want to have more control over the color, let's try it again with the codes that we know. So I will choose purple color. Okay, let's see how is the color. Okay, as you see, if we're working with the codes, we have more control over the coloring, and we can make it easily darker or lighter. But if we're using the files that we provide, we can just be sure that this is the right color. In some projects, we can use those files and It's better, of course. The purpose of this course was learning all the codes and know how to use it, because you can find the right color in any situation. So I will choose blue color. And make it a little bit shiny object to see how it will look. Okay, now let's see how we can use color schemes for this project. So I will change the floor to purple color and use the yellow, which is so bright color, for the peak. As you can see, because the contrast is look very good together. Let's try with red and green. Okay, still it looks very good, and I want to use now triad color scheme with secondary colors. So we will using purple, green and orange color. This looks so good. So if I didn't use a lighter green color for the floor, it was because the contrast between light green and orange is not so much, so it's not going to be bold. Okay, as you see, there's a lot of options. We can make so many different types of color combination. It depends on the project and the taste of yourself or your customer.